2018年2月2日、オハイオ州、アクロンに住む、ティエラ・ウィリアムズさんがかけた通報です。その日、アクロンはとても寒い日でした。ティエラさんは、午後3時半頃に買い物から、家に帰ってきたところで、悲惨な光景を目の当たりにしました。なんと、2歳の娘が、玄関前のポーチに倒れていたのです。幼女の体は冷たくなっており、声をかけても、反応がありませんでした。
911 location emergency. Oh my God! Hold on, take a deep breath. What's going on there? Oh my God! I'm sorry, what? Oh my God, she's not breathing! Your daughter's not breathing? Okay. Ma'am, did she take something? No, she was outside. Yeah, she left. She left out of the house. She was on the floor. She's frozen. Ma'am, we have somebody on the way, okay? How old is your daughter? Okay, take a deep breath. Did she take something? No, she didn't. She had eyes closed. She's not responding to me. Okay, ma'am, how old is your daughter? She is 2. Okay. She's 2. She's frozen. She's frozen. How old did you say she was? You said she's 2? Okay, what happened to her? She must have went outside. She went outside? Yes. Yes. Ma'am, can you bring her back inside? She's inside. She's inside. She's inside. Okay, I need you to put her on her back. Lay her flat on her back on the floor and remove any pillows. You said okay, listen. Yeah. Is there anything in her mouth? Are you able to get her mouth open? It is open. Okay. All right. Can you turn her on her side and make sure there's no fluid or anything in her mouth? Okay. Okay. And you said how long was she outside? I have no idea. Okay. No. Ma'am, this is what I need you to do. I need you to place your hand on her forehead and the other hand underneath her neck. Okay. You're going to carefully tilt the head back. You're going to pinch her nose closed and completely cover her mouth with your mouth and then blow 2 regular breaths into the lungs. I need you to do this. You're doing great, okay? Honey, did you feel them go in and out? Huh? Did you feel the breath go in and out? Ma'am, I need you to answer me. Did you feel the air go in and out? Yes. Okay. All right, listen carefully. I'm going to tell you how to do chest compressions, okay? Place the heel of your hand on the breastbone in the center of the chest, right between the nipples. Okay. Just one, okay? Okay. You're going to push down 2 inches with only the heel of one hand touching the chest. You're going to pump the chest hard and fast at least 30 times, which is at least twice per second. You're going to make sure the chest comes up all the way. She's foaming out the nose and the mouth. Honey, listen to me. Turn her to her side and wipe all that out. Okay. Okay? Stop. Put her back on her back. Okay, she's on her back. Okay, do you see her chest going up and down? Honey, listen. She's not breathing. No, I don't know. Okay, all right. Okay, listen to me. Can you put your ear next to her mouth? I don't hear nothing. Okay, all right, this is what we're going to do. I need you to go ahead, and I'm going to tell you how to pump her chest, okay? Go ahead and give her 2 breaths, then 30 pumps. Then 2 breaths, then 30 pumps, okay? Okay. Ma'am, honey, I need you to do it. You're doing very well, okay? Honey, we're already, listen, we're already on the way. We've been on the way. Honey, I need you to listen to me. You are doing great. Keep going, okay? Oh my God, I don't know. Go ahead, keep going. I need you to pump, okay? I need you to count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.
It's steady coming out of. It's steady coming out. When I put it in her stomach, it's coming out.
That's totally fine. Keep going, okay? Keep going. You're doing very well.
Is this stuff supposed to come out?
Yes, ma'am. Keep going. I need you to wipe it out of her mouth. Scoop it out if you need to. Turn her on her side.
I can't get her teeth open.
Okay. All right.
It's not to work.
Honey, keep going. 2 breaths and 30 pumps. Count out loud with me, okay? Ready? Are you ready to do the pump?
Yes, I'm pumping.
Okay. Keep going.
I'm pumping.
Honey, we are on the way.
Oh my God.
Okay. Go back. Okay, listen to me. Go back to the 2 breaths, then the 30 pumps.
事件当時、23歳のティエラ・ウィリアムズさんは、子供たちの父親であり、彼氏のダリアン・パーカーさんと、2人の子供と生活をしていました。また、ティエラさんは3人目の子供を妊娠中でした。事件の日、ティエラさんが年上の子と買い物に行く間、ダリアンさんが年下の子の面倒を見るはずでした。しかし、夜勤から帰って疲れ果てていたダリアンさんは眠ってしまいました。買い物に行っていた約2時間の間に、幼女は家を出てしまったようですが、正確にどのくらいの間外にいたのかはわかりません。通報を受けて救急隊が到着した頃には、応急処置では何もできない状態でした。幼女はすぐに病院に搬送されましたが、病院で死亡が確認されました。死因は低体温症でした。両親は子供の管理不足の罪で起訴され、2人とも罪を認めました。子供たちは施設に保護されました。近所の住人曰く、過去にも同じように、幼い子供2人が外に出ていたことが何度かあり、そのことで警察が来たこともあったそうです。父親のダリアンさんは懲役2年の刑を言い渡され、9ヶ月を刑務所で過ごした後、2年間の保護観察を条件に仮釈放されました。母親のティエラさんは1年6ヶ月の刑を言い渡されましたが、1年6ヶ月の保護観察を条件に、すぐに仮釈放されました。